Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to be here with my co-host, Jamie.
And I'm Jamie. Great to be back, Alex. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can genuinely transform how businesses operate: cognitive AI tools for automation. We're talking about getting work done without your team having to constantly copy, paste, and switch between a dozen different apps.
Absolutely, Jamie. The article we're discussing today, 10 Top Cognitive AI Tools for Business Automation in the US 2026, really hit home for me. It highlights a universal pain point: how much time teams waste on repetitive manual tasks. Things like copying data, updating the same record in multiple systems, or just waiting for someone to read an email before anything moves forward.
It's so true, and often the fix makes it worse, right? You buy a chatbot here, a workflow tool there, another app for data entry. They don't talk to each other, so your people end up being the glue between all these disconnected systems. That's not automation. That's just adding more tools to the pile.
Exactly. What businesses really need, and what these cognitive AI tools aim to deliver, is a system that can actually understand a request in plain language, decide what to do, and then finish the task across all your connected systems. It's about moving from a tool that just talks to a system that thinks and acts.
That's the key differentiator. Genuine business automation should handle both conversations with people and those silent back-office steps. It needs to be deterministic for predictable work, connect to your existing tools, and crucially, hand off to a human with full context when real judgment is needed. The article really emphasizes that one platform covering all these points stops automation from being a patchwork.
And how they selected these tools was rigorous: US market presence, real-world outcomes over just demo polish, deep integration capabilities, how quickly a team can get started, and transparent pricing. They really focused on tools that can complete end-to-end work.
Which brings us to their number one pick, CogniAgent. This really stood out because it's not just a chatbot. It combines conversational AI agents, autonomous agents that pursue goals, and deterministic automation for predictable tasks, all in one platform. Most tools do one or two of those. CogniAgent does all three natively.
That's a powerful combination, and the results are impressive. Their study showed a 92% first attempt success rate, which means fewer escalations and faster results for customers and staff. Plus, it's genuinely easy to get started. They offer a self-serve free tier with 5,000 credits, no card required, and an AI concierge to help build your automation canvas from a plain language description. That's a low barrier to entry for such advanced tech.
It really is, but the list also includes other fantastic options for different needs. For example, if you're deep into the Salesforce ecosystem, Salesforce Agentforce is a natural fit. For Microsoft 365 and Azure shops, Microsoft Copilot Studio is ideal for building internal copilots.
And for large enterprises with complex, high-volume robotic process automation, UiPath and Automation Anywhere are still leaders, especially for document-heavy operations. Then you have tools like Zapier for small teams connecting lots of SaaS apps without code, or Sira for consumer brands looking to replace scripted support with truly autonomous agents.
ServiceNow is there for enterprises consolidating IT, HR, and operations. And for the more technical teams who want self-hosted control and source-available options, N8N is a great pick. It's a diverse landscape, but the core message is clear: integrated cognitive AI is the future of business efficiency.
Absolutely. It's about empowering your team to focus on growth and customer interaction, not on being human middleware. If you're tired of piecemeal solutions, exploring a platform like CogniAgent, which combines conversation, autonomous action, and deterministic automation, could be a game changer. That 92% first attempt success rate really speaks volumes.
It certainly does. So if you're looking to cut down on manual steps and get more finished work, definitely check out these tools, especially CogniAgent at cogniagent.ai to start free. It sounds like a fantastic way to experience what integrated cognitive AI can truly do.
That's all the time we have for today on Top Tech Growth Hacks. Thank you so much for tuning in.
And thank you, Alex. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.